Hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So today I want to cook in the Power Pressure Cooker XL, and we're going to be making a pork stew. That's I got a pork shoulder. I had them to cut it into slices, and I got 6 slices out of it. So I cut up 2 of the slices. That's what we're going to be using today. And I have some potatoes and carrots cut up. Okay, in addition to that, I'm going to add some onions, and I'm going to add maybe, I would say 3 onions, medium-sized onions, and 1 green pepper. Okay, alright, so let me adjust the camera and we're going to get started. Okay, thank you. Okay guys, so here's the pork that I have all cut up with my Grandma Ray's special seasoning. You can use your seasoning, okay? And I was asked a question, when am I going to let you guys know what is in my seasoning? I'm still working on that, because when I bring it to you, I want to bring it to you correct, alright? Alright. So I didn't have just a green pepper. I had a mixture of yellow, red, and green pepper in the freezer. So I took that out. That's what we'll be using. Here's the onions. I remember I said 3 small onions. This is equal to 1 pepper, whether you have a mixture of colors or all of one. And this is 4 cloves of garlic. Okay. Okay. And here's our potatoes and carrots. Okay, alright, so let's load it up. I'm going to put the meat in, and then I'm going to put the peppers, onions, and garlics in there. Okay, now we're going to add the rest of the carrots and potatoes. Alright, now we're going to have to add some water. Now I want to change the name to lemon pork stew. Okay, I'm going to take some lemon juice and put in there after it's done, and the zest of a lemon. And I think I want to do that because that's going to give us some health benefits, right, from the lemons. So that's what we're going to rename that to. Lemon pork stew. How about that, huh? Okay, you want, when you put the water in, the water is about right here, guys. Okay, which is about, I'd say, 6 ounces of water. That's great. That's all we need in there with the water. Okay, so now I'm going to put your attention to the pressure cooker. There we go. Going to drop that in. I want to cook it for 30 minutes. Let's take this up to 30 minutes. Okay, there we go. Okay, once it heats up, then it'll start. And then we'll check it after it stops, okay? Alright, we'll be back. Okay, so the pork stew is out. Once you take a look at that, and we're going to add the lemons to it. I have the inside and the zest of a whole lemon that I put in the food processor, and I keep in my freezer. So I put it in the microwave and thawed it out. We're going to add the lemon now to the pork stew. Now everybody don't like lemon, so if your family don't like lemon, you can have yours on the side, okay? But if you're diabetic and you have other health issues, lemon is very good at helping that situation. Okay? And you can also just put it on the top for appearances if you don't want to mix it in. Okay? I'm mixing mine in. Oh, I can smell the lemon. Oh, my. Okay, let me take a taste of that for you. Okay, let me see. It definitely would look better, guys, if you had the lemon just like on the top here. Just so you'll know, okay? You know I keep it real with you. Okay. And let me take my picture. Gotta have that. Okay, here's my picture. Oh, it's gonna spill over. Wait. Okay, I poured off some of the juice. Is that better? Ah! I'm still spilling. Did you all see that? You didn't see that, did you? Okay, here we go. All right, let me take a taste. Wow. That was a surprise. You could really taste the lemon. Really strong. It came right through. I like it. Okay, you try yours. If you don't like lemon, you don't have to use the lemon, okay? And if you like lemon, try the lemon, okay? And you can put it, mix it in, or you can have it just put it right on the top of yours, okay? All right, so until next time, I'll talk to you soon. Hit the like button if you like it. Subscribe, and I'll be praying for everybody. Bye-bye.